Alright, YouTuber, today we're doing some messy work in the messy basement with a Lennox old furnace and muddy floor. And basically what we're doing here is checking the fan limit switch from Honeywell. And what this thing does is it's got this dial here. It spins around. There is like a probe here, and that's basically a metal contraption. And when it warms up from the internal furnace heat, that metal expands, which then turns this dial around. And as this dial moves, you see that moving there? It makes me move. It hits that switch and turns the power on and blows the motor, blows the hot air upstairs. So that's the on-off switch. And then if it gets too hot way up here, it's going to turn it off so it doesn't blow up the house. So I'm going to use the girlfriend's old hair dryer, which is kind of noisy, and I'm going to blow some heat on that thing and make sure that this rotates around. So just watch this doohickey thing here. Okay, here we go. Blow it on there. Oh, you see that? Alright, so see that did the rotator, and then it got hot, turned on, and I did hear a click, but I don't know if you heard a click because the old hair dryer was kind of noisy, but it did click on, so that's good. No, hair dryer has a blue button here, and that blue button, if you push that blue button in while you're blowing the hair dryer, it turns off the heating element inside the hair dryer, so it's just going to blow cold air. So now if I blow some cold air on here, that should turn that dial back the other direction and disable the switch. Let's try it. So that should be cooling that metal down. Oh, that hair dryer sounds pretty sad, don't it? Anyway, that's I saw it move. I think you saw it move, so that means it's real. Not like one of the fake internet news stories that you hear all the time now about, furnace lives matter or whatever. So anyway, that's how it works with the limit switch. And remember, do not try this at home if you are scared of hair dryers.